So I've just gotten the huge news. One of the largest stockbroker in Singapore, TD Ameritrade Singapore, just notified its users beginning 27 October 2023 they will no longer support non-accredited investors, which basically means people with lesser than 300,000 Sing dollar in annual income or having a net worth lesser than the $2 million mark, etc. You will need to then start paying $50 of monthly maintenance fee. Existing users will no longer be able to trade or fund their accounts starting from 1st of December 2023, and any margin positions will be liquidated, aka forced sell by 4th of December if your account is currently in paper loss, in order to bring your account balance up to positive cash balance. So grandmother story short, basically what they are saying is they are no longer supporting the majority of the retail users like you and I after 31st December this year, and will only focus on a big fish. And this is absolutely crazy and sad to say the least, because obviously more than 90% of the retail clients easily won't be able to meet these criteria. So what can you do right now as an existing TD Ameritrade Singapore user, mostly Singaporeans or Malaysians? Well, sad to say, you only have two options here. The first option, which is the cheapest and also the fastest way to do it, is to liquidate or sell all of your existing stocks and ETFs on your portfolio and then transfer it out of your account, because you can now wire out any money from your TD Ameritrade Singapore account for free until the end of this year. Basically free withdrawal in this period. And once you have done that, then obviously to continue investing you will need to have a good stock brokerage account. And ladies and gentlemen, shall I say, all roads lead to Interactive Brokers. Time to jump off the sinking ship, and here's the safe harbor for you. Feel free to use my link down below to open yourself an account with one of the best, if not the best, stockbroker out there. Super cheap commission fees with no markup, very well regulated in more than 10 different countries, offers fractional shares trading just like TD Ameritrade, great customer support, unlike them, offers more than 33 different financial markets, etc. You know lah, I can safely say it beats TD Ameritrade in every single aspect, maybe except for the thinkorswim trading platform, but that's about it. Anyways, if you love your stocks and you don't want to sell them because you don't want to start to re-entry or start a new entry price again, then option number 2 would be to transfer your stock positions out of your account into another stockbroker that accepts stock transfers. Not many brokers offer that feature, or at least have an active support that would assist you on that, or even TD Ameritrade allowed to transfer to. So to save you the hassle of researching left and right, Interactive Brokers offer that function for you. Just sign up for an account with my link down below, do your simple verification thing, etc. The typical stuff, and you should have your account ready in like a few days, even without depositing money into it. You can do it for absolutely free. And then you can go to the transfer and pay tab and look for the transfer positions and click into it. And over here you can go for the incoming button since you want to transfer assets from TD Ameritrade into your Interactive Brokers account. And the further steps will be shown down here, so do give it a thorough read and download your account statement from TD Ameritrade Singapore, because Interactive Brokers will definitely request for it afterwards, and this process is totally free, so don't worry on that. I've checked up until this point and I can confirm that TD Ameritrade is one of the acceptable broker for position transfer into your new Interactive Brokers account. But just a quick disclaimer here, I did not perform any position transfer myself since I don't have any active positions in TD Ameritrade Singapore. So if you ever face any issues, then please do contact Interactive Brokers customer support on the top right hand corner. Click the help button over there and go to support center and scroll all the way down to look for the chat room button, and that will lead you to the live chat support, which you will connect with a real agent within just a few minutes. So now I just want to answer a few frequently asked questions. 1. Will this affect Interactive Brokers Singapore users? Because there are rumors out there that say this could be a new regulation from MAS Singapore. Well, from what I can see from their message, this seems to be a corporate move from TD Ameritrade instead of an industry-wide regulation by the authority, aka the MAS. And even if it's really a new regulation from the MAS, it will only affect native Singapore users. Most of the Interactive Broker users from other countries are mostly parked under ibkr LLC, which means ibkr US. So this shouldn't have any spillover effect, at least from what I can see from my personal point of view. If there's any update, rest assured I will be one of the first to inform you, so do subscribe to stay updated with all things investing, especially with stuff related to stockbrokers. And second question, why did TD Ameritrade Singapore do this? Honestly, this beats me. It could either be for business reasons, or maybe, just maybe, there is a trickle-down effect from the Silicon Valley Bank crisis earlier this year, and that could have affected their parent company, Charles Schwab. So maybe there are some internal restructuring going on that we will only know down the road when they release it in their quarterly reports or when they announce it through the public websites. At this moment, all they are saying is to better serve the unique needs of local investors and to concentrate on the underserved historically in Singapore, which, I mean, is just plain crap lah if you ask me. Alright, I guess this should wrap up for the quick update. Feel free to comment down below if you have been affected by this, or if you have any questions, feel free. I will try my best to answer all of them and help you whichever way I can. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.